Good evening, everyone. Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is September 24th, 2022. Here's the Nasdaq monthly chart. And as you see here, we had a very ugly sell-off in months of September as we expected. Here's the trend line that we just had a pullback and then rejected. Even price didn't get to SMA 20 on the monthly chart. So despite of S&P, which we rejected from SMA 20, even Nasdaq didn't get close to SMA 20, and this dynamic trend line was enough for price to rejecting to. And right now we are coming back down to 11,327, which was the close price on Friday. There are a couple of things that I just want to share. Here is the consolidation in September, August, September, October, and November of 2020. And after that, this consolidation bull flag results to very exhaustive move to the upside. And it took almost, let's say, a year and 3 months, a year and 4 months to get to the top. Right now, we are coming back exactly the same cycle. Like 2 years after this, we are getting back to this area with another similar price action, but this time is heading down, not heading up. So this is demand area, and right now we are consolidating in this demand area, which means lots of buying orders are beating up. And when the last buying order finished, when there is no buyer, price is coming down sharply. So this is just a monthly chart. This is just a heads up. And we have just a week to finish up the September. I would say September is going to be green bar unless there is a miracle happen next week, which I don't think so. And we just get above like 12,324. For now, I'm just saying for the next 3 weeks, until mid-October, the maximum target that I'm just expecting or assuming is going to be this level. So 12,324, that would be the maximum target. I'm not saying price is reaching out to that level. I'm saying the maximum level that I'm expecting price is reaching to is going to be this. And when we are getting to the weekly and daily chart, I'm telling you it's going to be very difficult even price is getting back up to this level. But if it gets there, that would be great short opportunity to short the Nasdaq. But right now we are at a very important pivotal point for the market, for the Nasdaq. Even on, I don't know, Monday or Tuesday, we can have like a sell-off, capitulation sell-off. And probably the downside target would be just the nominal lower low, touching SMA 20, SMA 50 on the monthly chart, which is still in this demand area, around 10,900, 10,950, and that would be it for now, and that would be the intermediate low for another rally, probably relief rally to give us another short setup. All right. So that's the monthly chart, and I don't want to talk about the stochastic and MACD. As you know, this is very oversold condition, so we are due for a bounce, and sure enough, so I'm expecting a bounce is coming, and that's the purpose of this video. So I'm expecting the bounce is coming, but this bounce would be just a relief rally or dead cat bounce. Okay, moving on to weekly chart. Okay, so let's start with this. Stochastic reaching out to oversold condition. MACD is sloping down sharply, which is not a good sign for bull, but this can just ended up here, and then we will have another probably a pivotal bars in MACD, and probably another just going back up here in RSI as well. As we see here, stochastic is getting to oversold condition. Weekly oversold condition signals a reversal is coming. And also I just want to say this is a very important level for the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq on Friday just reached out to this pivotal area, this wide range bar, tested again. Here we have SMA 200 on the weekly basis. I know price didn't get through here, but probably we will get there as per monthly chart. But this is going to be another lower low probably next time. But this time I would say market just rejecting back up there. So nicely we will have nice support here. I'm not expecting this support is breaking down quickly and sharply. I'm just expecting we have another probably a relief rally to what level. So let me just tell you exactly. So I'm expecting price maximum target for Nasdaq based on the weekly chart is going to be here, 12,100, and that would be the maximum target for Nasdaq. I'm not expecting prices coming back up here or there. Probably it could, but I'm not expecting for now. So the maximum target for Nasdaq is 12,100, and that would be a nice selling signal for us to get back to the short right now. So we are slightly bullish, waiting for confirmation for long position. In weekly chart, it shows that. So daily, okay, going back to daily. Okay, let me just clean this. This is very, very messy. All right, so as you see here, we have a nice rejection from this demand area, which you can call it support, but I just show you in weekly chart that we have demand area. So the price just hitting this level and nicely rejecting back up and nicely bouncing back up there. So here is the target, or I should say targets for the upside. So you can start from 11,800 to 11,900, then 12,000, 12,100 and 12,200. So that is going to be my area for sell. So just keep an eye on this for a bounce. So no rush. We are patient. And the patience is the key. Just let you know, patience is the key in this market, and this trend line actually doesn't matter anymore. So if we get there, so probably lower is coming to this area. So that would be my setup. So if we get there, then we can just have like a sell signal probably to here. The stop loss would be here. I'm sending the signal in my channel. So if you don't follow my channel, make sure that follow my channel in Telegram platform, which is a Safi Financial Network. It's going to be free for everyone. You don't need to pay anything, and we are not selling signal in that channel anymore. And this is a daily, and I just want to show you something interesting in our chart, which is hourly. And this is it. So this is the reversal for the hourly. And if I just zoom in here, so this is the sharp trend line, which I believe when my students know, when we have this sharp trend line, despite of if it is bearish or bullish, we are going to breaking through. So finally, and it's going to be sharp breaking through. So I believe this engulfing candle, very, very nice engulfing candle with another follow through. So on Monday session, probably a US session or London session, we should pay attention to the market. These are the short-term targets for the Nasdaq, but I think market or price can go all the way up to here. And in middle of this candle, very, very important, middle of this candle, so probably 11,700 to 12,000, that would be the area for a short-term time frame to see if we get a good sell signal there. So still there are lots of, as you see, there are lots of resistance there. It's not going to be easy for Nasdaq to rejecting all of them and breaking through or going there. So there are tons of levels there. So just be careful on that. If you are buying Nasdaq or any stocks, which I'm not recommending, but if you buy, make sure that have tied a stop, just because this one can easily roll over and coming back down sharply. Okay, so if you like this video, please smash the like button. This is the least support that you can give us. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend. See you on the chart. Bye bye.